I'm on the advanced trading view. If you can't see this page, just make sure you have the advanced view toggled on. If I turn it off, for example, this is the default view, and then just turn it on and you can see these types of pages. Go to orders, and then you'll see a fees page. It's a little bit tucked away for some reason, but once you get here, it's pretty self-explanatory. Essentially, you get put onto an automatic tier. This is based on either your last 30-day trading volume or your total amount of crypto in your Coinbase portfolio. In my case, I'm on advanced free currently, and this is because I traded over $500,000 worth of crypto in advanced spot trading in the last 30 days. But because you get put onto this based on your portfolio, it does mean that if you are a crypto whale moving to Coinbase, you will be on the advanced tiers just purely based on your portfolio. It doesn't matter how much you've traded. But for me, and for most people, I'd imagine, you can get put onto these advanced trading fees, tiers, based on your trading volume. And it will give you an email when you have changed to a new tier. So in my case, up here, you can see the two main stats are available. So in the last 30 days, I've traded 784,000, and my asset, my total Coinbase portfolio amount is also here. So I guess what does this actually mean? Well, it basically means that the higher tier you have, the lower your trading fees are for advanced trading. And you've got maker and taker. Maker is basically the post-only option, and taker is the allow taker option. So to demonstrate this, let's go to spot trading and then go on to the Litecoin section. And let's just do an example sell. I'm going to sell $100 worth. And you can see here, I have allow taker. So this is the maker fee. You can see it is 0.2, the actual fee, just like it is on the fee page. And if I do post only, it's 0.1. So if you think about it, for selling $100 worth of crypto and having a fee that's 10 cents, that's incredibly low. That's much lower than if you just sold it in the basic Coinbase view, and it's much lower than doing it on pretty much any exchange. So the more you trade in advanced view, the lower your fees are. So you can get to an incredibly low amount. So it just means it's exponential profit if you are a big time day trader.